Are you awake? Hello? Are you awake? Come on. Hello?
Morning.
It's time to ride. We gotta...
I need you to go out there, get me, pour that coffee on the bottom shelf in the door of the fridge to a cup with some ice. And then we can talk.
Look how bright it is. It's so late.
Is it? Let me see. Oh God. Oh God. Oh man.
Alright, let's go ride. Okay. Okay, so you remember this car from probably a video or two ago. Uriah had a little, he lawn darted into a witch's eye. We, Tim, right over there, Tim, right there.
Hello.
Tim brought us a tie rod or two. Next issue is that it cut his brake line. Not clean like that, I just cut that off. But, so, what we're gonna try to do,
Trying to see if we can fix it.
we're gonna try a temporary fix, and that's to get a brass ferrule fitting and put it over this, because this is hard coat plastic on the outside. We're hoping that we can brass ferrule fit those together. I know somebody's gonna say it's not the right way to do it. Of course it's not. The right way to do it is to put a new brake line on.
That's why it's called rigging up.
But we don't have one. We're trying to rig for a ride. Yeah, so recently Uriah put these VKS front A-arms on, and instead of riveting the brake line to the A-arms, he used little button head Allens, which is raw.
Makes it cleaner.
Yeah.
Stainless steel.
Stainless steel, those are my favorite.
Alright. So, ooh. Damn it, I knew I was gonna drop one. It's right underneath you, dude. You see it?
Yeah, I do.
Alright, cool.
I wish the brake line was right there. I cut a piece of the brake line off for a sample.
Dude, I
and dropped
know,
it.
man. That thing's buried now.
But yeah. Oh, you know, worst case scenario? We can always unbolt this piece and take it with us, so. Alright, so that's what we're gonna do.
So,
We're gonna rig it.
just, you just see some white sand, like some whoops, kind of, some rollovers.
And then it was there.
So basically, I was just going. I was like, okay, so I hit it, because I just wanted to go float over them, and then right when it was just too late, I hit the brakes, and it was just boom.
How deep was it?
Not that deep.
Not that deep. It was like about 6 feet down, and then it went
Him
out.
actually brought us over parts. Shane, I can never pronounce his last name right,
It's a new boy.
was so awesome to go and hook up with Tim and provide these parts, his stock tie rods. Sent them over with Tim, and now we're gonna put this thing back together.
So,
We got to go to the hardware store.
We're headed to Miners.
Yep. We are going to do some jerry rigging. Is that politically correct?
Yeah, that'll get us.
Right. There's some kind of weirdo following us. You see him? He's back there. I don't know if you guys can see him. What is this dude doing? He's like that. Everywhere we go, there he is. All right, this is the place. Believe it or not, we expect to be able to find parts to fix brakes on the Can-Am X3. It seems like you're following us. Every time I look back,
cruising, man.
every time I look back,
I was getting honked at.
every time I look, oh, were you?
Yeah.
Going too slow?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cruising.
I got low air pressure.
I
Are you air down?
Yeah, I'm at 20.
We're gonna find some Can-Am X3 brake parts in the garden section. I'm sure.
I think that's their stock item.
Right? The nice thing about coming to the hardware store, Milwaukee and Craftsman. We came to the right store. They have Milwaukee and Craftsman. The nice thing about doing this at the hardware store, you don't have to bring your own tools. They have them here already. You can. Oh yeah, this place is loaded.
They got everything.
And look, if they got a whole Milwaukee section. I'm a Milwaukee fan.
Be close, huh?
I wonder if we can like shave it down a little bit, like take one of them
No, I
tiles
think
and-
we'll make it work. We don't
You're
have to
right.
shave nothing.
Okay.
If you get it straight.
Tim's on a mission. All right. We need the center piece.
This is quarter.
This is quarter two. Oh, there. Here's the whole thing right here. I'd still get a couple extra ferrules. Are those ferrules the same on there?
Oh yeah, ferrule.
I know, but
They're
okay.
the same. Let's just buy 2 extra ferrules.
Yeah, yeah.
And buy...
Alright, so we're gonna get this 2 extra ferrules and hope we can make this happen. This is the Can-Am X3 section right here. So
Do they do .3 or .4 on those?
that's a good question. That's the whole thing.
Okay.
So the line goes in this end, line goes in this end, you clamp it down.
Nice. And then you don't. There's .3 and there's .4.
Alright, so now we gotta go get some passes, but we did find the Can-Am X3 section in Miners.
Oh, yeah.
Weird. Don't do what Uriah does.
What's that?
Don't be Uriah.
Oh shit! You filming?
Yeah. Hey, you can't screw up this bad and not be on video. What happened right there?
Oh shit! Hey,
Yeah, alright.
hold on! I found your problem. It's right here.
Yeah, right. It's the it's right here.
It's in that area.
It's in this area more so.
I'm just gonna rip this off, dude.
Wait a minute. Did you just say you use your brakes out there?
No, just to stop fast. If I.
Well,
see a
why
drop
didn't you
off.
use them yesterday? We wouldn't be doing this. We'd be riding right
It
now.
was deceiving.
Was
brake
it?
line was broken. That's the problem.
Right.
That's what caused all
Oh, and he couldn't.
faulty line.
And he couldn't steer because look at this. He tagged that thing so hard.
All right, what do
we got that jam nut busted loose on this. This thing's a little out of shape. I don't have it right there. But great, grab a hold of that and I'll spin it off.
Oh, hold on. There we go.
Try to leave that nut about where it's at so we have a guesstimate of how your alignment is.
I'll give you that.
Alright, what's that?
Does it look like he's doing it right, sir? Can you give him some direction?
You gotta have the nut on first. Once you get that piece to fit, you gotta get the nut straight.
You're the nut. I'm gonna help because I feel like there needs to be some. What are you doing over here? Squeezing things together? Oh God, they're making you do the hard work.
This one sucks. Darren's got the easy life over there.
Oh yeah, typical. That's
Right
what I keep
there.
telling him. Hey, I have a better file than that if you want it. Yeah, let me go grab it.
Are you serious?
Yeah, I do.
You know what?
What did you do?
got
So tell me what that's about, sir.
This is the Can-Am X3 brake line repair kit from True Value Hardware.
Okay. And that's because the brake line was ripped apart.
He's gonna go in there and go, honey, I'm sorry.
But I'm not gonna recommend anybody use this personally.
Okay. Is it okay? Yeah. It's not a recommendation. It's just something.
I think I filed so much in the back, I forgot to do the front.
Yeah. Let's get in there.
Work all the way around.
You're right.
It's filing. This is what happens when you just launch off at the top of hills and crazy driving.
You know when you buy
It was a small dude.
When you buy a lottery ticket and you hope you win?
Yeah.
I think that's what we got going on here.
Oh man,
So
no.
if this works, it's gonna be the lottery.
This is gonna work, Tim. It's not the lottery because this is a sure thing. Lottery's a gamble. This ain't gambling. This is called been there, done that.
Look at that. look at the backside.
I think it'll be fine.
I'm all
Darren's gonna
good
make it work
right
right now. Watch.
Now, who do you belong to?
Oh, that's right. The nut has gone first.
That makes sense.
Do we need oil?
Okay.
You kind of like this right here? Towel?
It's very no. This is how I work too. When I'm when I'm doing sand, working in the sand.
Yeah.
I have to because I'm the finder, and I don't. It's hard to find stuff in this. It just goes away. We lost a flip flop once to the sand gods. Darren stepped out of the car. Flip flop came off. With his foot came out. We never found it. 4 of us dug. I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know.
Wait, so we sacrificed it for a good ride.
That was in the Funko, huh?
That was in Funko. Yeah, Tito was there. Remember?
Yeah.
We all dug and dug. Never came. We never found it.
Parts right there, though.
Okay, so tell me what's happening here. I need a little bit of a seriousness now.
Well, so we bought a 1/4-inch ferrule compression fitting,
Okay.
but this line's not really 1/4-inch. So we're doing our best to make it 1/4.
Do you want me to file? I'm good at that.
I did make the other one already fit.
Okay.
And I'm pretty close here. Let me just continue on and see what I get here. I think we got it.
Okay, so we got it?
I think so.
This is what you have to do out here when you care about your friends and your friends care about you. It's called not fluffing.
What's it called?
It's called loving.
No, that's
Care-
called fluffing.
That is our boss right there. And that's the way he talks around us. So that's why we're suing.
That's what it's doing.
Okay, is that working? We have fabric-cobbled a different variety of items from our combined camp, and we've come up with some things that I think work, yeah?
so
Everybody
close.
works together.
We're so close.
We all work together every day.
Sandpaper.
The camp
Homemade
ends.
sandpaper.
Okay, made sandpaper, yeah, homemade. So how's it working?
We're so close, I think. So close.
Oh, there it is.
So close.
I think it's gonna work
Yeah,
this
we need to
time.
put some oil on it.
Just spit on it.
One little.
Dude, that's right there, Darren.
We got one little lip right
it's
there.
It's right there. I'll get.
It's gonna work. I know it. I feel it coming on. I can feel it coming. Yeah. Oh, those are the scissors. Is it coming?
So close.
Shave it down. Shave it down. You got this.
Oh, there you go. Got a little scissor action.
Yeah, those are the sharp scissors. All I'm gonna say is that we're just gonna say Brandy for the win, babe.
Brandy for the win.
I don't do the work. I just find the tools. Usually, I work with Tim. He and I co-supervise. So that's why I know how to do this.
Close. One more little.
One more little. I'm gonna call it a dimple.
I can leave on 2.
You just leave one at 2?
I don't have a clutch kit. My car's stopped.
Wait a
You have to
second.
take me down and pass me.
Listen to me, sir. Your car's 181 horse straight out of the box. We're not playing that game. It's also a lot zippier. Doesn't matter if you don't have a clutch kit. That clutch engages quick. I know for a fact.
I'm gonna leave on 2.
That clutch engages faster than a Can-Am clutch. You don't have any of the other problems. You also are at 181 horse right out of the box, meaning
Oh yeah, there you go.
Yeah, you got 260.
Boom.
we're not going
What's that
there,
mean?
Tim.
Yeah,
You know
we're
what?
going there.
There we
Tim.
go.
I get to leave on 2. You have to leave on 3. Now, how fast you say 3? That's up to you.
Well, I know because I'm the caller. 1, 2, 3. That's how I'm
There
gonna
you
go.
Because I'm leaving on 1.5.
Okay.
So, it doesn't matter.
You know what? It's all good. Oh, did you get it on?
Maybe.
Oh, maybe. That's a for sure. We don't do maybes here. Maybes are for babies. I don't know. What do you need?
I would like it a little bit farther, but I'm gonna go with it maybe.
Get it on there?
Yeah. He just wants it on further because he's very perfectionistic. Perfectionistic. It's a new word. People are using it all over the place. It's European. Yeah. Are you feeling better about that?
Oh yes.
We're happy
All
now.
right.
If you're happy, babe, do it. Give me the hands.
I need 2 minutes.
Brandy Hoover, Dandi Off-Road reporting live from the scene of yet another fabric-cobbled fixed job by Mr. Hoover here. Hoover maneuvered it. And now he's going to take a break with his supervisor.
So I think we got it.
Tried to take her out.
Look at this, guys.
No, I don't want to go.
Look at that.
Because of what happened to Uriah.
Look at that. Look at that. We got it. I think this is gonna work. So we got that. Is that bolted back in? Go ahead and
Bolt.
tighten that up.
Tighten it up. I know.
We had to pull it loose to get a little more slack up here. But I think we're good. We're gonna tighten this up and just watch it spring out a leak all over
Bring
there.
a leak.
But at least we gave it a solid efforts. And not too tight. Those are crush washers, just a little bit of ugga-dugga. All right. Now what we got to do is find the right. We need a wrench or so.
Rancher's at 13.
All right, you're right. Did it.
Yeah.
Let's see if we can bleed this brake before you go any further.
Okay.
Pop that plastic.
Oh, there they are.
And need a Phillips screwdriver. So we're gonna put a little bit of brake fluid in this thing and see if we can bleed this guy off. All right, we're gonna pump these brakes and see what happens. Here goes.
Hey, do I have to start it?
No,
Ready, go.
nice and easy.
Doing one more. There it is, getting tighter.
Is it getting tired?
Yeah. There.
We still got plenty of fluid in the reservoir.
Yep.
All right, hold.
Okay.
Do it again. It might take a while.
Change. It's going to take a while. That whole line's full of air.
Okay, I'm holding.
All right, do it again.
Do you hear anything, Darren, coming out? No.
Hold it. Again.
See that line?
All right,
there?
hold.
Well, it's squirting
All
out.
right, do it again.
1, 2, 3, 4. Hold.
Whoa.
Pour some in here. Okay. Hold on, let me pump.
Hold on. Hold on to
Okay.
this. Let me pump.
Perfect.
Oh, there it
now
goes.
it's going down.
Do it again.
Okay. Okay.
Woo!
Are you starting to get a pedal?
Yep.
Oh yeah, it's.
All right. I'm a pump. All right, hold. Oh yeah.
All right, so yeah, babe,
Here's the
don't
brake repair kit, which I just want to point out is
It's
not.
a refrigerator.
don't do it. Zip it. That's the
a
supervisor. You can't trust.
refrigerator repair kit on a-
You can't trust.